Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to add caption on Instagram post. So first thing we have to do is just go open our Instagram account. Okay, and after that we have to go into the profile and find out which post that you want to add the captions to. For example, I want to add the caption for this post. Okay, so the things you have to do is just go into these three small dots, and after that you just need to go click edits. In this time you just need to type what caption that you want to add into this post. Okay, for example, I want to have a but not several emoticons to make it more interesting. Okay, let's find out what I can get here. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to click done. Hold on, and now this post already have the captions on it, and that's all the way how to add the caption on an Instagram post. So if you find out this tutorial is quite useful for you guys, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.